Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. Today we're going to be giving you a tour of our room here at the Element Hotel in Anaheim. The Element Hotel is located at 1600 South Clementine Boulevard in Anaheim. It is currently rated number 89 out of 125 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor. At the time of filming, parking is $22 a day plus tax. It is a 9/10 of a mile or a 1.6 kilometer walk to the gates of Disneyland, and it usually takes about 18 minutes. They do have EV charging available. We paid for this hotel out of our own pocket. We highly recommend you check the hotel website for the most up-to-date information. We booked the kids suite here at the Element, and the room we picked was a 1 king bed plus the bunk beds and a sleeper sofa. This room sleeps 6. If you pick this room style in the 2 queen version, it will sleep 8. Here in the king bedroom part of the room, there are 2 nightstands, one for each side of the bed, and each nightstand has 2 regular plugs plus 2 USBs, and on this side with the alarm, there's also 2 USBs and the alarm clock. The closet here has the safe. It has the iron and ironing board, and we believe it should have the bedding for the sofa bed, but it does not have it currently, so we would need to request that. Still here in the king bedroom side, there is a desk, lots of counter space, also a TV, and in the wall here are 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs along with the desk lamp. On this side of the desk, there are drawers for storage, like a dresser, but someone left their stuff in here. There's someone's socks and backpack in here from the last day, so that was missed. In between the king bedroom area and the bunk bed, there is a kitchenette. It is pretty well stocked. There's a toaster, a 2-burner stove, a mini fridge with a small freezer compartment, utensils, pots and pans, Pyrex to hold leftovers. There's an ice bucket, coffee pot, microwave, and a full-size dishwasher, along with the sink. They also provide paper towels, soap, actual real dishes. There's mugs, cups, plates, and bowls. They also provide a cutting board and salt and pepper, which is a nice touch. Over here, when you first walk in the door, is the bunk bed and couch, kind of like a living room. There is another TV here, and we really like this additional seating here. It's like a breakfast bar. There are 3 stools under this counter that you can sit at to eat, watch TV, get ready in the morning, whatever you need to do. It's nice to have extra seating in the room. Right here is the sleeper sofa with this nice, easily movable table if you want to pull this out for the sofa part. It is quite comfortable, and I really like the material. It looks like it will hold up really well over time. Right next to the couch is the bunk bed. Each bunk bed has their own light, and included in the light is a USB charger as well. Right here at the TV on the counter with the stools, there is also 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs. The bathroom door is a barn door, and it does have a full-length mirror here to get ready in. The only thing is there's not a lot of light in this area, so I'll have to see in the morning how well it does for me putting on my makeup while someone else hops in the shower. Next up is the bathroom. It is really well sized. There's a great area here for the vanity and sink. The shower is a stand-up shower only. There's lots of hooks to hang up stuff. I see 3 here plus a towel rack. The shower does have shampoo and shampoo and body wash included in the shower. The shower floor does look a little dirty, and I'm sure it's not. It's just maybe just stained. I'm sure they cleaned it, but it doesn't look as bright white as it should. Although we really love the layout and how spacious this room is, there's not a lot of extra floor space. So if you need to put strollers in here, wheelchairs, scooters, prams, cribs, pack and plays, it might be a little tight, especially if you're trying to sleep 6 people in here along with those items. It's going to be really tight. If you're only going to be using the bunk bed area like we are, because we only have 4 people, then you would be able to fit those items probably very comfortably around the couch. It's just something to think about if you're thinking of coming here and you have those extra items. If you're curious about other room types here at the Element, please check our video out here for a different room type. Please be on the lookout for our experience video here for our stay at the Element tonight. Thank you.